Ever wish trading felt more like grocery shopping than gambling? Welcome to the 2% Pop Strategy, a chill, beginner friendly way to grow your account swing trading ETFs like SPY or QQQ. No fancy tools, no 10 screen setups, just logic, patience, and a little price pop. Here is how it works. You buy when the ETF dips or consolidates, ideally near a support zone. Then sell it once the price rises 2%. That's it. Because prices tend to snap back like a rubber band. For example, buy SPY at $500, sell at $510 for a 2% gain. Let's see why it works. Because the market often moves in small waves, and ETFs like SPY or QQQ don't just crash or fly, they wiggle. You are not aiming for a home run, just steady base hits. And guess what? Enough base hits equal to a winning season. Think of this like collecting coins in Mario. Not sexy, but they add up fast. So, how to do it? Find a liquid ETF like SPY or QQQ and then wait for a dip, usually basic support levels or RSI less than 40. And then set a buy order near that zone. Set sell target at 2%. Use a tight stop loss around 1 to 1.5%. How can we find support level once a week? So, not a full time chart watcher? Perfect. Here is how to find a solid support level just once a week. Open Robinhood and set the time frame to 1 week. Look for recent price zones where SPY bounced 2 to 3 times. That's your support. In our case, it bounced at this zone a couple of times. So, for this week, we can take this price as our support level. Done. That's your buy zone for the week. Check the chart on Sunday, set it, and go back to living your best lazy life. How to set up alert on Robinhood? Set your alert in Robinhood so you know exactly when SPY hits your buy zone. Open SPY on Robinhood. Tap Set Alert. Choose price movement below. Set it to your support level, example 500. Now you're swing trading like a minimalist. No stress, no FOMO. Why you still need a stop loss on SPY? Yes, SPY is stable, but when the market panics, even SPY falls fast. March 2020, it dropped 34% in weeks. So, unless you enjoy surprise investing marathons, use a stop loss. Otherwise, you will accidentally become a long term investor. The 2% pop strategy is perfect for part time traders or anyone who wants chill, realistic trades. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more strategies that don't require caffeine and chaos.